to 100 and something with the heat index higher than that. So y'all pray for everybody in this heat. All these homeless people and stuff, older people that can't afford to run their air conditioners. Man, I don't know. I don't know how they make it. I guess we all make it when we don't know how we can. I know I have through other stuff. But I just wanted to say I appreciate y'all. I haven't really talked to any of my YouTube friends lately. I don't really know what's going on with anybody. I miss Candace's live. I didn't think she was going to be doing them anymore. And I found it about 6 hours after it was over, but I never got a notification. I went back through my notifications. Y'all, I'm not getting notifications for hardly anybody. When I find something, it is purely by accident. I don't know what is going on with my YouTube. But I just wanted to jump on here and visit a minute. I know it seems like I make a lot of live videos, driving videos, y'all, but all the videos I've posted the last few weeks were made weeks ago. I haven't made a video in the last few weeks. Not driving, only walking in the yard or something. But y'all, it's been so hot. I don't want to get out and make no video. It's all I can do to turn the air down and make a cooking video in this heat. I just don't function well in this heat at all. I have no energy. And every summer it does this to me. Since I've gotten older, so I don't know if it's just age or what. I guess I'm just getting old. But we sure have a lot of clouds, and there's a small chance of rain today. And then after that, I don't see any rain in the future for probably several weeks. Unless some kind of weird storm brews up. And I have prayed for rain. Now it has rained around me, close to me by miles, for weeks, but I have not gotten any rain. Sprinkled. A couple of times I thought it was, really going to pour down, and it'd sprinkle, and that'd be the end of it. Not even enough to register in the gauge. So y'all pray we get some rain. We need it. I try to go out every 2 or 3 evenings and water some of my plants that need the water to survive. And y'all, when I come in, you would think I had been playing in the water hose, as wet as I am. I mean, my clothes are so wet, they won't even hardly come loose from my body. It's awful. But I keep saying I'm gonna start leaving here in the summer. If I ever get the opportunity, I will, and come back the rest of the year. It's usually mid-June through maybe the first part of October. That's just so terribly hot here. And the humidity. Whew, I just can't do the humidity anymore, y'all. I love my flowers, and I love the flowers to grow, but I just prefer the winter. Since I've gotten older, I never thought I'd be that way. And I used to stay at the lake. And y'all, I haven't been to the lake in years. I just hadn't been. If I had a boat or something, I think I would enjoy it. But I don't know. I keep repeating myself. I know. I just can't get out and do this heat. And I can't have a pool anymore because I can't clean it because of travel around and park in your driveway, unless it ain't allowed by the neighborhood rules. That'd be fun. Maybe I'll pick up Sister Candace and a few people along the way, and we'll all just go on an adventure. Now, wouldn't that be something? And if y'all hadn't checked out the pastor's wife and Tucker, that's Sister Candace's YouTube page. And check out John Ray just changed it. John Ray the Birdman, maybe, YouTube channel. Y'all, I forgot what he changed it to. When y'all change up on me, y'all, it takes me a while to get used to it. Check out Rowdy's Country Living. And y'all, if Miss Candace does a live, we all get in the chat, and they put the YouTube links up, and everybody friends everybody, and it's a great way to make me friends. Her page is about grieving for her husband, and she gives scriptures and encouragement and does prayer. And Rowdy, y'all see that truck almost go off the road? That scared me. Y'all, had already slowed down a lot. That truck got me distracted, and I don't even know what I was saying. Rowdy's Country Living is about her farm animals and jobs, things her husband does around their place in Utah. And John Ray's is about all his birds, y'all. He is the bird master. He has every kind of bird you can imagine in his yard and videos it. And he does some driving videos, and RV living with a geezer, my buddy Calvin, and his dog Blanca. I think she's 16. She hasn't been well, y'all. So y'all remember to pray for Calvin and Blanca. And y'all check out their pages. And y'all, there is so many others. Sometimes I just, some pops in my mind, and I try to call them out when I'm thinking about it. Y'all, I just cannot think of any more, and I know there's a ton of y'all that I watch. And I apologize that I cannot remember, but I got a lot of other stuff on my mind right now too. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. Thanks for playing my playlist. You do not have to sit and just watch. You can just pick a playlist for anyone and just play the playlist, y'all. That really helps us out a lot if y'all do that. And we appreciate it. So play a playlist for a friend today. I play playlists all the time. I have 2 TVs going almost every day. Anyway, love y'all. Be blessed. Don't forget to say your prayers.